This song goes out to my mom. She always loved Nirvana. I'm running out of friends inside my head, like losing power. The shadows start to spread. This food is sour, tastes different when you're dead. I need a shower, cold water on my head. I'm running out of friends inside my mind. I'm drinking out of Coronas with a lime. My thoughts get louder, and I forgot the time. I listen out of my headphones to Sublime. Running out of friends inside my mind. Don't know how I found them. They helped me kill the time. A quarter pounder sounds pretty good tonight. Another hour, yeah, that just passes by. I could stay awake for a century, a memory. I don't think that I could take more than a breath from me. Nothing's left for me. Running out of friends inside my head, like losing power. The shadows start to spread. This food is sour, tastes different when you're dead. I need a shower, cold water on my head. R.I.P. All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never run. We hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your heart. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights